Hello there, beautiful people. Hope you are having a great day. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add a table of content in Microsoft Word. So without further delay, let's get started. I have a sample doc right here, and we have some headings in here. So let's add a table of content real quick. In order to add a table of content, the first thing you need is heading. So right now you can see that this is my main heading. So you can select any text and assign a heading to this, right? So you have H1, H2, H3, according to the level of headings in your document. So in order to add the table of content, the first thing you will need is, of course, the headings. The next thing you need to do is go to References, and right here you will find the table of contents. Now if you want to add an automatic table of content that adapts to your headings, you can choose either the automatic table 1 or table 2. The only difference is that the first one has the label contents and the second one has the label table of contents. So this one is more suitable for the blog articles, and this one is more suitable for books or large documents. So right now, just select any of these, and you can see that now I have a table of content. If you want to update the table, simply click on this. Like if you have new headings, you can click on this button, and it will update the table of content. So, for example, I can go to any heading here or add a new one, create a text, and go to your home page and assign a heading to this, like this. Go to your table of contents and update table. And now you have a heading right here. All right, so you can update the headings in this way. You can also change the preset of the heading. You can select the entire heading, table of content here as well. And if you want to remove it, you can go to reference, and right here you have remove table of contents. You can also do that from the table itself. The next method is to add the manual table. So if you want to add your own headings, you can select this one, and it will only add the structure of the headings. You can write the headings manually in your table of content. So this is for those people who want to manually write each chapter. Finally, you have the advanced option, which is the custom table of contents. So right here you have some options. First off, you can either choose to show or hide the page numbers. So you can see them right here. Furthermore, you can also choose to align the page number to the right side. And you can also choose the design of the tab leader. So you can use like this, and if you have seen the books, you will see that all of them doesn't have the tab at all. So you can remove that as well. For the web preview, you can either add the hyperlink or you can use remove them. Then you have some more options here. First off, you have the preset or format of the table of content, which will change the look of the table. I personally prefer the template one. Also, you have the show levels. Now, this is the heading levels of your table of content. So you can have like multiple heading levels, H1, H2, H3, up to H6 is standard for web documents. And in the Word, you can go up to 9, right? So you can go up to 9 levels, and you can choose up to what level you want to show. Right. So now I can show up to 3 levels. Now I can show up to 4 levels, and so on. Furthermore, you have the options here, which allows you to add your own styles, outline levels, and table entry. And this one is important, which lets you modify and add presets, custom presets of the table of content. So you can choose any table of content, click on modify, and design the TOC yourself by going to these options and adding your fonts, your font size, formats, and many more things. Right. So using these features, you can create your own presets or modify the looks of your table of content. Right. So once you do that, click on OK, and you will have your own table of content right here. But yeah, this is how you can create your own table of content in Microsoft Word. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.